Your frozen machine needs its own 20 amp electrical circuit. The machine must not be in direct sunlight. Ensure the door is aligned with the cabinet correctly and level all the way around. Prevent air leaks by making sure all the payment system harnesses are secure and cannot get trapped between door sealing surfaces. Initial machine refrigeration cooldown typically takes 4 hours. The machine will get down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit in a little over an hour, but to get down to -12 degrees Fahrenheit will take a couple more hours. At initial startup, the evaporator fan should not operate if the cabinet temperature between trays 1 and 2 is above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or the evaporator is below 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The defrost cycle occurs every 8 hours. The heater is used to defrost, so do not be alarmed by the steam during the defrost cycle. Allow 30 minutes for the defrost cycle, which typically takes 15 minutes. The defrost cycle ends when the evaporator temperature reaches 50 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature sensor fails, the default operation is for the compressor to run continuously. It's important to note the delivery bin constrains the size of the product you can place in the machine. To keep products fresh, make sure they are frozen prior to loading. For more assistance, contact Vendnet Technical Support at 1-800-833-4411 or email service@vendnetusa.com.